Let's talk about how you can build augmented reality experiences very easily today. Because I want to tell you how you can use AI to build augmented reality experiences. I want to show you because that's for like another video, and I did also some video about it in this channel. So like I'm just going to tell you today how you can use AI to build augmented reality experiences. So we're going through the problem till the solution, and I want to show you also like some example in what industry you can use what and to build what. So basically, today we have the problem, and the market stats say that 71% of people would shop more with augmented reality, and 80% want to try the product and see the things before buying, and then they will be 3 times more likely to purchase the product. Now, of course, why we need like augmented reality? What problem is going to solve? So first of all, like customers cannot try before they buy. If you think about it, if you are, for example, a real estate agent, people are less incentivized to come to the property to see them because they might not like it from what they saw from the pictures. Plus, if you maybe have an e-commerce, you have higher returns rates. So like, people purchase your product, that chair or that dress or that pair of glasses, but then when they receive home, they do not like how it fit on them or in their houses. Plus, you have very little engagement. In the case of like e-commerce, but in particularly any business, like you don't have many interaction with customers because they can enter on your website, for example, and then they do not see anything exciting, so then decide to leave. So this is also like looking like all the others, all of your competitors, is not bringing you any advantage. And then like building before like building an augmented reality experiences was like very expensive. Like to build an augmented reality experiences before, like you need budget from like $5,000 to 20,000 of development, 3 to 6 months of timeline, and also there will be like technical expertise, constant support, and that's always like it has to be an obstacle in implementing augmented reality experiences in like whatever industry you are that you can implement augmented reality for its many cases. And instead, nowadays, this is like very different because with like traditional method, you have to spend like $10,000 to build your augmented reality experiences. But with AI today, with a lot of tools there are, like you just need to spend $50 a month. And you can create your augmented reality experiences in minutes instead that to 3 and 6 months of timeline. So that's amazing, like that you can create this with AI today very fast and with the tools that are out there. And so, yes, AI is a solution for it. So basically, for example, with AI, you can upload your picture of your product, for example, like your sofa, and the AI will create your 3D models like in less than 2 minutes. And then you will be able just to like upload the models on your favorite software and you have your augmented reality experiences. So that's something amazing. And as I'm telling you, like, yes, the benefit is that you have the quick setup, so you do not have to have any code experience required, and it's a like drag and drop interface, and there are a lot of templates out there. And one of my templates is actually for like both for furniture catalog, augmented reality for like real estate, where you can put there all your listing and customers can compare and view them like in front of them doing virtual tour. And the same with like furniture, where basically you can place all your furniture and build an augmented reality catalog, and they can basically use that to see with your furniture how a living room, for example, would come. And then, you know, it's more like affordable. All the augmented reality experiences that they are going to build, you have just to pay monthly or like pay one time, for example, if it's a template, and you can just do not have any cost of upfront. You don't know how the experience will be, and you can unsubscribe from the software, for example, whenever you want. And yes, you can scale as you grow. And this is like, as I was telling you, you can apply for like real estate, so for venue, events, retail store, so basically for space tour, like where people can just have a virtual tour of it and see how maybe that space would come, how that space is, if they want to purchase that or not. It can be for virtual try-on, so for jewelries, glasses, makeups. So if you have an e-commerce like that, well, in that industry, well, you can just implement the augmented reality experiences through a software, and like you can create, for example, glasses with just an images, or like three images, like from the front and from the side of the glasses, upload them to an AI software, and this AI will do the work for you, so you don't have to hire any 3D artist to develop your glasses. Implement this 3D model in the software, and then your customers can virtual try on from your website even. And last but not least, like product visualization, furniture placement, home decor, appliance. It's the same thing as I was telling you before, like you can create these AI models, 3D models with AI, and upload in your favorite software for your e-commerce, so then your customer can see. But before like to go to the last point of this video, like I want to tell you which are these software, because I made some videos about it, about these platforms, and I will continue to make these videos. But I want to tell you just some software that I will pop up here on the screen, like Voxelo, 2D to 3D app, Polycam, or to build your 3D model. Or if you want to build your augmented reality experiences with AI, you can use Mattercraft, that now has an amazing AI tool, or even HWall, and there you can build also your like 3D model from like prompt, or even like use all the AI, ChatGPT, Cloud, Cursor to build your augmented reality with just text. That's very simple, and you can build your augmented reality in minutes. And by the way, if you want my augmented reality template for your furniture catalog or for your real estate agency, just click the link below, and let's stay in touch. And then let's pass to the last thing, that are the benefits of those like experience with augmented reality with AI. So for example, you get 40% fewer returns, 60% higher engagement, and 30% more time on your website on the experience, depending on the experiences. So all of this make you stand out from the competition, and you have a modern shopping experience, and you get higher conversion rates. So these are like the benefits of augmented reality. And like I told you, you can just build augmented reality experiences with AI in few minutes. Like literally, you can build all your catalog, all your stuff. Like in one day, you have your augmented reality experiences at very little cost. So you have to like calculate this, and also, if you want to calculate your ROI on this, I have a tool, I will leave you the link below, that you can use to calculate your ROI and see if I spend this on augmented reality experiences, tools, and so on to create also the 3D models, what would be my ROI like compared to the one without augmented reality experiences.